Here you can do all the things that are set to delete orders, running or pending orders, from profit only or loss only, along with limit and stop orders in one Auto Close Manager dashboard panel. This expert advisor is very good, simple and functional to help you trade, so you don't miss any market moments. What is clear is that you have to turn on the expert advisor so that it is running, and later you just click on the features according to your needs, and it runs well on MetaTrader 5 without any problems. Buy it now and immediately use its functions.